Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna show you some home decor items that I bought from Amazon. These are home decor as well as some useful items that you can use in your house to make your life more comfortable. So yeah, that's it. And if you're interested in the video, then please keep on watching the video, and also please do like, share and subscribe to my channel as it means a hell lot to me. So now without any further ado, let's get started. So the first item that I bought is this rug, which looks absolutely amazing in my room. It just enhances the look of my room. I love it actually. I got this for 1500 rupees from Amazon, and its length and breadth is 4 into 6 feet, and there are different sizes available for the same rug as well. The quality is amazing. It is handmade, so you need to take care of it. You can wash it even, but you have to be really gentle with this. And this is how it looks from close. And yeah, I absolutely love the work. It looks stunning and everything. And one there's just one con for this rug is that it is not anti-skid. So if you are thinking of using it as a normal mat or rug in your room, and if you have children's, then you have to keep this in mind. Otherwise, if you are going to keep it and if you are going to keep a table on top of it, it is not going to move anywhere. But normally it will move because it is not anti-skid. So that's the only con that I feel. Other than that, it is a yay product. So the next item that I bought is this laundry bag. I got it for like 180 rupees, and it says drop your dirties here. One thing, I ordered a bag that was in which something else was written on it, but they sent me this one. I kept it because I was okay with whatever is written on it. The quality of the bag is not too good, not too bad. It's an average laundry bag, but if you will use it properly, it will last you for a longer period of time. It looks good, it will hold its shape as well, and you can actually add a lot of clothes in this. It is very very spacious, and I actually like it how according to the price I paid. So yes, you can give it a shot. So the next thing that I bought was this table runner, and it is really beautiful. And it does look a bit brighter in the video than it is in reality. Okay, this is the point to be noted. And yeah, it looks beautiful. It just enhances the look of your room, and it is made up of this cotton kind of material, so that's why it will not slide off from your table. Okay, it will not slide off. The only con about this table runner is that its height is shorter than I expected. Okay, so I need to reorder a size bigger than this. Otherwise, the quality is amazing. It looks good. It gives you that boho vibe, and it has truly enhanced the look of my room. So this is definitely a yay product from my side, and I got it for like 338 rupees. Okay, so the next item is this mop that I bought from Amazon, and it is from the brand Gala, and I bought it for like 1300 rupees. This is not a home decor item, of course, but it is such a good cleaning tool that you can use in your house. It makes your work super easy. This is how it looks from inside. It is just that basic mop system. It has this basic mop system that you see everywhere. Remember, don't go for those mops that come for like price 500-600 rupees, because I bought that previously and it broke off in the first use. So that's why I invested in a good brand, and it is super duper good. The quality is amazing. It will not break off, and it has made my cleaning process so much easier. All you need to do is unhook the clip like this, and then dip your mop into the water, and then take that mop and put it into the dryer side, and all you have to do is put a little bit pressure, and it will just drain all the water from the mop. And it is absolutely amazing. There's no kitch of doing mopping your floor with your hand. And yes, it has made my work super easy. And when you are done drying it, just clip it back, and voila, you are good to go. Now you and one thing more, it is very flexible, so it will even go under your sofas and under your beds. And yeah, it is super duper good, and I absolutely loved it, and it made my cleaning process super duper easy. I will definitely recommend it. So yeah. So the last product that I bought was this bathroom mat. It is anti-skid and it is made up of microfibers, and I got it for like 390 rupees, which is quite a bit more for a mat, but the quality is amazing. It is so soft, it does its job well. The best thing is that its fibers is not even coming out, which is good. I actually loved it. If you are someone who crave for quality products, then invest in these type of mats. This is actually very good, and I loved it. And yeah, this is a yay product from my side.